What's going on, gang? So I'm back at it again. So today's task is for me to get my dash and stuff situated. So I did paint it, and I'm gonna show y'all the before, and then I'm gonna show y'all the after. But I did paint it. It didn't quite come out the color that I would like it to be. I don't know how long this paint would last on this dash. But we're gonna give it a try. Worst thing come to the worst thing, I would have to fiberglass the whole dash, and hopefully I don't have to do that. But right now, I'm finna flip this camera around, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got and show you what we finna do to it. So yeah, we gonna see what we can get done and how we can get this to look. See if we can get this look a whole lot better. So right now, I'm using a scuff pad around the areas that I already sanded, and I'm gonna use 320 to kind of help me clean out the edges. Just want to clean the edges out better than I did the first time. Actually, when I sprayed it, I wasn't looking for it to work, but as you can see, I'm sanding it with 320. The paint really staying on there. The parts that you see right here, I hit that with 180. Even though I know it's the bottom of the dash, but I want to clean some stuff up, so I went ahead and hit that with 180. And I'll probably hit this here with a 320 and kind of like maybe try to water sand it. If I can't get it out, then I'll just go ahead and hit it with 180 wet. And we'll see. I actually dug that out. It didn't chip, but I dug it out. And we're gonna see, man. I mean, what's the worst thing that can happen? It don't work, and we just do something else. So let me get back at it, y'all. And once I get it all prepped and sanded, I'll turn you back on and let y'all guys see how it turned out. Hopefully everything turned out good and we can get it done. So we got the Regal broke down too, and that's gonna be another video, y'all. We're gonna try to get this watch time up. I already got my slided rollers, so y'all stay tuned for this video. We're gonna start doing the suspension under here, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna turn the camera back off, and we're gonna get back to this dash and get this done.